What up, Juice World? This is Nomadic Juicer. Today, I want to talk to you guys about motivation, what it is, and what's the one key secret that you need to know in order to keep you motivated as you transition in your diet, as you start a juice fast, if you're in the middle of a juice fast, or really just any particular aspect of life, because this is a universal principle. So with that, let's jump in. Now, you guys know me. You know, I love to look in the dictionary to really understand the nuance of a word, to really gain some insight into what it is the word's actually trying to, say to me. What's the meaning behind it? So when you look at the word motivation, you have to take a step back and look at the word motive. Now, motive is a noun, and it's something that causes someone to act in a certain way, or a certain behavior, or a certain style of thinking. Again, a motive is something that causes someone to act in a certain way. Now, when you look at the word motivation is a noun as well, and it's a state or a condition of being motivated or having a strong reason to act in a certain way in order to accomplish a goal. Now, the key word, a couple words that I see out of that definition are: one, a state, a condition. Number two would be something that causes you to move. Something is forcing you to do whatever it is that you want to do. If it is, it's a juice fast. I want to juice for 10 days. Something's got to be driving that action, that behavior, that thinking. And this what gets into the key secret, is that you want to know what your why is. Why do I want change? Why do I want to lose this weight? Why do I want to heal this issue? Why? When you understand your why, it helps you and grounds you in your purpose. You understand what it is you need to do and what it's going to take to get there, because your why is going to keep you moving forward and keep you motivated. And I think this is the one key thing that you have to have if you want to be successful in the juice fast, if you want to be successful in transitioning your diet, and if you want to be successful in life. Honestly, you have to have something that is moving and motivating you to act, to behave, to think a certain way. And when you kind of peel this back, you kind of start to get into the realm of psychology, the realm of emotional intelligence. And you have to understand that our emotions are the primary source of motivation. Our emotions cause us to behave a certain way, to think a certain way, to act a certain way, to have meaning in life, to have perspectives. And so when you understand that, when you are rooted in your why, it will help you keep the course when things get rough. Because a juice fast is not going to be easy. Detoxing your body is not going to be easy. Trying to transition your diet is not going to be easy. And if you want to make any big changes in your life, save money, buy a house, have a baby, raise a family, whatever the case may be, it's not going to be easy. But what's going to keep you staying the course and what's going to keep you your eye on the prize is what's your why. Because your why is driving your behavior. Your why is driving your actions. Your why is driving the way you think, the way you look at the world. And so I think that's the key secret that you must know and that you must act on and that you must figure out as well. Because if some of you might not know what your why is, and that could be why you're struggling. So I'd always, ask that you guys constantly take time each and every day to sit with yourself for 5, 10, 15 minutes. Reflect on the day's actions. Reflect on where you're at in your life. What's the state, condition? Where am I at in life? Am I happy with it? Am I not? Do I want to see something different? Do I want to change? But when you sit with yourself on a daily basis and you ask those simple questions and strengthen that inner dialogue, that's going to help you build that emotional intelligence. It's gonna help you build this foundation of what keeps you motivated each and every day that you wake up. And with that, that's all I wanted to talk about today. That might have ended a little abruptly, but again, like I'm saying, the key is just understanding your why. That will keep you motivated, that will keep you focused, that will keep you grounded, and that will keep you accomplishing your goals. I would not have gotten this far where I'm at in my healing journey if I didn't have that why. But that why has pain, that why has, history that I don't want to repeat, that I don't want to go back to. So that keeps me moving forward. And when you understand your why, you'll be just as successful, and to be able to get through the juice fast, transition your diet, or whatever that goal or that aspiration that you have in your mind. And so with that, I just wanted to, touch on a little subject that I kind of see people, who are struggling. I think having this grounding information will allow you to kind of weather the storm, as you transition and go through your juice fast. So with that, if you would love to learn more about juicing, how to juice, recipes, I have my new ebook called How Do I Juice? You can check the link below, or you can check in the bio. And with that, I love you guys. Be easy.